What's this? Ring. We can wear ring on a finger. Ring. What's this? Spider. Spider has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. This is a spider. What's this? Stop sign. When you see a stop sign, we need to stop sign. What's this? Rainbow. There are lots of colors in the rainbow, and rainbow is in the sky. What's this? Popcorn. The popcorn is good to eat. Popcorn. What's this? Cupcake. The cupcake is yummy. We eat cupcake. What's this? Cherry. Cherry are red. It's good to eat cherry. What are these? Fries. We can eat fries in a restaurant. Fries. What's this? Laptop. We can use laptop to the work at home and at school. What's this? Rig. Car is go on a ridge. A boat is go under the ridge. The ridge is over a water.